Gotire mugwe wa bara uharereirio no maiguru ria kwagathere mawira-ini waguo. Yeah, gotire no mwe. Let me tell you something. Not even a glitch, not even a pinch of it will prosper. There is nothing will prosper in here because I believe. I believe. I believe. I believe. Yeah, that song, I don't know how it goes. I don't know the beat. Na rĩu nĩ njũĩ Gideon ndũngĩkĩmenya. You cannot. Wewe ũkũhũra gegeton. Yeah? So I have to tell you the truth. You have to go through the process. You have to go through the process of perseverance so that you can become mature. Yeah? You can be mature mentally, spiritually, physically, all through. Why am I saying this? Yeah? Again, you don't preach, but now I want to give a motivation. When I was young, when I was 22, yeah, ndandĩkĩtwo nĩ mũhĩndĩ Nyairobi wĩra wa kwendia Mikinye. Harĩa hakuhĩ na Nation Center, that's where I used to sell toothbrushes. Hĩndĩ ĩmwe twendetie na mũhĩndĩ ũguo akanjũria dance on, dance on. Why are you not talking to clients? Yeah. Hĩndĩ ĩyo niĩ ndeciragia clients is a very, very, very huge thing. So it is these customers. You cannot know that. You cannot. Yeah? You are the acting pastor, but you have to listen. Listen to me. Listen to me. Or forever remain talking. I can curse you. You know, keep quiet. Hagĩũka kamũndũ karĩho gathuri gakũrũ piũ gatarĩ nginya na magego gakiuga atĩ karenda Mũkinye. I have never heard that. Gĩkarora gakang'etherio gatirĩ ona rĩmwe atĩ karenda Mũkinye. Yeah? Now my employer told me, why are you not selling? I cannot fathom. Because that is not even business. Someone is coming to irritate me. Gake insist, I want a toothbrush. Gĩkahũra coffee ĩmwe gakĩgwa thĩ. Yeah? Hau nĩho ndabutĩirwo wĩra. Nĩgetha thiĩ kũremba kasi gatuĩke security guard. So I have gone through the process. Respect me. Respect me. Respect me. Yeah. So I want choir to come here and sing.